one talks about how one video can literally change everything in seconds. Everything changed when I did this one thing, and it had nothing to do with thumbnails or search engine optimization. This one video got me over 4 million views, and I got over 45,000 subscribers from the video alone. The first thing I will start telling you to do as a struggling YouTuber is to go to your channel analytics. After posting each and every one of your videos, make sure to go and check out your retention, your click-through rate. These two things are very important. The higher your retention is, the higher YouTube is going to push out your videos. And for you to increase your retention, you need to make sure your video has a very strong hook. I'm talking about the first 3 to 10 seconds of your video. So what you can do to retain your audience is to make people have this question: why is this happening in the first few seconds of your video? In this video of mine that went viral, I showed a little girl being bullied by her classmates. The first thing people are going to be thinking is, okay, why are they bullying her? Is she going to get revenge later? What is going to happen? So this thing actually makes people stay and watch the video because they want to see the outcome of it. So if you want to make your video go viral, you need to make people have expectations toward the end of the video. So another video of mine that went viral is about a girl that got kidnapped, and she was able to hide somewhere and call the police while the kidnapper was still looking for her. So this kind of video is going to make people see what's going to happen. Is she going to escape? Is the kidnapper going to catch her? This kind of thing, it makes people stay till the end of your video. I hope you understand. As the retention of my video increases, the more viewers YouTube is going to show my video to. And the second thing I did that made my video go viral was the upload timing. I told you earlier to make sure to check your YouTube studio because it is very important. On your YouTube studio, you are going to see the time your viewers are most likely to be online. The time your viewers are always online, you are going to see it there. I'm going to put a screen record here so you can see. So make sure to post during the time when your viewers are online, because in the first few minutes or hours of posting your videos, you want you to push out your videos to your audience, and a lot of people are actually watching it at that time. YouTube tend to push out your video more. And the second thing I did that actually made the video go viral was that I created another short that had to do with the first short that went viral. Let me explain. So the first video that I made, it was about a girl getting bullied, and she actually took it out on her father, and she was behaving actually toward her father. So a lot of people were commenting, and you know, these kind of videos are emotional videos. So when I saw that people were actually engaging on the video, I went back on the video and then I made another short showing the girl's perspective of the video. The first video I was talking about the father perspective, and in the second one I was talking about the daughter one. So a lot of people actually checked the second video to know what the girl actually had to go through for her to treat her father like that. And the second video also got me, I think, 1.3 million views because it was connected. So once you see that a particular video of yours is going viral, the second thing you want to do is to make another short related to that video, where you can look into the comment section of the video and see what people are actually asking, and you can make videos about that too. So because 2 videos of mine actually went viral, YouTube rewarded me with more views on my channel. A lot of people have been visiting my channel since then. So if you're a new YouTuber or a struggling YouTuber, these are the things you need to pay attention to. No matter what niche you're in, these are things that are very important in your videos. If people don't have anything they are expecting for your videos, they are not going to watch your videos. If your hook isn't strong enough and there is no expectation in your videos, of course people are going to scroll away because there is no reason for them to watch that video. Even after doing all of this, there are still some people that YouTube refuse to push out their video at all. I mean, they get 0 views on all of their videos. This isn't right. It means there is something wrong with your channel, or there is something wrong with the way you are posting. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about what you might be doing wrong with your channel and what you can do to fix it. And trust me, I know what I'm saying. I've run about 3 YouTube channels now, and I've never gotten a 0 view. I'm not going to say I've never gotten a 0 views. I've gotten a 0 views at a point, but I was able to solve it, and I'm going to be sharing that in my next video. So make sure to subscribe and also hit the notification button, so when I post, you're going to get a notification and you can come and watch immediately.